is a fast recipe idea to make fish nuggets, and I'm going to use dukkah as the crusting. Now, dukkah is an Egyptian spice, nut and seed rub. It has loads of flavour and it's fantastic with fish. Now I'm just going to grab another bowl and I'm going to add my dukkah. I'm going to put the whole packet in because it's going to act as the crumb for our fish. Now you can see I've just been coating the fillets of fish in some egg white. It's going to act like the glue, and then straight into our dukkah mix. So once it's completely coated, just like that, we'll pop it on the tray. I'll just spray it with a little oil and it goes into the oven, 180 degrees for about 10 minutes. Dukkah crusted fish. It smells fantastic and they look really good too. Now to serve this, some tartare sauce into a shallow bowl just like this. And then I like to just place these little fish nuggets on top of each other and a hint of lemon on the side. What a great way to serve fish. If your kids don't like fish, this is a great way to introduce it. Dukkah with lemon and almonds, so delicious. And then with some tartare sauce, winning.